everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I'm a little, I'm not getting a lot of great deals at CVS today because I didn't go to CVS last week, and every time I miss a week, it just messes everything up. And then the red machine wasn't working, so I had to go buy like something for $1, and then it popped out a bunch of CRTs. But I like having the physical CRTs than the digital. It's just, I can see it, it's more organized. So my haul was just a little bit crazy. But one thing I do want to tell you guys is I just found a new app, and a couple of you guys have been messaging me about it. It's Fluz, F-L-U-Z. I do have a referral link below. What you guys do is you join my referral link, and you guys will get 3 vouchers. So basically, vouchers are, you get, there's a couple different stores that you guys can pick, like Starbucks, CVS, Spotify, a couple other things where you guys can get 35% cash back. And then the more you use that app, the more money you can get. So basically, it's a cash back app, just like, you know, Ibotta Pay, but they're having a special thing where you guys can get more money back than usual. And there's actually more options in there than what Ibotta Pay has in there. So I kind of like that because sometimes stuff disappears. So what I did is after I made my purchase, I went to use the Fluz app because I wanted to just try this separately. So I ended up buying this bubbly drink. Now this was $1.89, and when I scan my receipt on Fetch Rewards, I will get this absolutely free. But I wanted to buy just a couple things just to see how this would work. And then I also bought these Oreo cookies. Now these were $1 a piece, and I used $1 off of 4 CRT that I used. So I just bought those 5 items, okay? And then I used whatever I had for coupons. Where did my thing go? My total came to $4.89, okay? So what you do is you open the app, you click CVS, and you're like, I'm going to charge. So basically, you have your credit card connected to it, and it gives you an instant gift card right away. So it charges your credit card and gives you an instant gift card. So I just charged, you know, I just said that my total was $4.89, and it charged me $4.89 on my credit card through the app. It does take a little bit of a second. It's going to ask you to enter your PIN because, you know, in case anybody ever got a hold of your phone, you know, there's that, which I do like. So and then it made an instant gift card right away, and I had the cashier scan it, voila. Then I hit done, and I made $1.81 back. I got 35% cash back from doing that option. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to Starbucks later today, and I'm gonna go buy like a $25 gift card, and I will get 35% cash back. Now it does fluctuate. You might not always get 35% back, but it is awesome. So definitely click my link below, and you guys will get 3 vouchers through select stores to get 35%. CVS is one of them, Starbucks is one of them, and I can't remember what others ones have. I know there's Spotify if you guys do Spotify, but definitely go ahead and do that. You can get instant gift cards. Oh, Burger King. You guys can just go to Burger King right away, and you have them scan your phone. You get paid cash back for that. So I was pretty good. I mean, I got that pop for $1.89, or the water or whatever that is, and then I made $1.81 back. So I got, you know, pretty much I got this almost for free, you guys, because I almost got $4 back. So that was a pretty good deal. I just wanted to share with you guys on that. So enough with that. Let's get to the haul. So I ended up getting the Nivea lotion. Now I had some CRTs that were expiring soon, so I wanted to do this deal in both of my cards because I was losing CRTs, and I don't like losing free money. So basically, these were $5.49. I had a 3 off of 2 coupon that was in today's paper. I had a $2.25 off Lotion CRT, so I paid $5.73 for this, but then you guys will get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it just 73 cents. So I think 73 cents for both of these is a pretty good deal. But then with my other card, again, these were $5.49. I used a 3 off of 2, but I had a 3 off of 10 coupon, and I totally didn't even add this up. I'm like, what the heck, Jennifer? What's wrong with you? So yeah, so let me just do the math real quick. So $5.49, I used a $3 off coupon. I used a 3 off of that. So I paid $4.98 for both of these, but then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck, making these absolutely free. So definitely check and see what CRTs you guys have and do this deal if you can. There's a girl sitting right next to me because her mom walked in the store, and she is just staring at me because she has no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just talking to myself because, you know, that's what I do best. So I ended up getting the Maybelline. Now the Maybelline Colossal mascara, this was $9.59. I got some eyeshadow for $4.19. I did use a $2 off coupon that we had for this, and then I also had a $3 off CRT that I had. Plus, I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics. So you guys would pay $5.78 for the both of these, but then you guys would get $5 and an extra care buck, making them just 78 cents. So if you guys want to go ahead and do the makeup deal, go ahead and do that. The next deal I did was the Dial body wash and bath soap or whatever. So these were 2 for $7. I had a $3 off Dial body wash CRT, and then I had a $2 off Dial gold CRT, and then I had a Dial 6-pack CRT. So you guys can combine those all together. So I got both of these for free. That's awesome. Both of them absolutely free just by using those CRTs, you guys. So, and the more variety of stuff you guys buy, the more variety of things you guys can get. So yes. Okay, so again, here is my Nivea from the other transaction. So I did not have I didn't get any inserts a couple weeks ago of the Tresemme and the Dove, so I had to like scrounge around and see what I had. But I ended up having only one left of the Tresemme and one left of the Dove. So the Tresemme was $5.29. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and I used a 5 off of 2 coupon. I also did the Dove, and these were $5.49. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon. I also had a $2.25 CRT, $2.25 off of 10 shampoo CRT. So I ended up paying $4.91 for this. But then you guys would get $5 back and an extra care buck. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I did, and I will be getting, I got 3,000 points, because like between the deal I did last week and the deal I did this week, if you spend like $10, you can get 3,000 points from Fetch Rewards. I can't remember what it is, but I did get 3,000 points for Fetch Rewards, so definitely go ahead and do that. So without Fetch, it ended up becoming an $8 moneymaker, so everything was for free. And then I got that Fetch Rewards, so that'll be $3,000 or $3 moneymaker for that. Yeah. I didn't hardly get anything at CVS. It's kind of crazy. But then I ended up getting the Trident. These were $1.49 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $3.18. But then you guys can you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $1.18 or just 59 cents a piece. So this is a great deal if you guys want to do that. So this other guy's just staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? I don't mind it. It's just kind of funny. So my total came to $1.69 for both transactions. I ended up using $23 worth of extra care bucks. I had some that were expired, so I had to use them. But I did receive only $22 back. So my grand total actually came out to be $2.69, but I will be getting that 3,000 points for fetch rewards for hitting a bonus. So it ends up becoming a 31-cent moneymaker. So it did make me a little bit happy. I mean, it's kind of slow for me. There's probably a lot more deals. I just don't have the coupons for it, but I was totally okay with what I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye-bye.